In the third leg of his three-nation tour, Prime Minister will be travelling to Saudi Arabia tomorrow. Here's all that you can expect from his visit.
Visit to Saudi Arabia will form the third and the last leg of Prime Minister Narendra Modi's three-nation tour. When he makes his first official visit to the kingdom on Saturday, economic relations as well as security talks would rank high on his agenda. Saudi Arabia is now India's top energy supplier, displacing Iran during the height of the sanctions. It is also India's fourth largest trading partner. So commerce and oil diplomacy will be an important part of PM's schedule. In fact, the security relations have expanded to touch new horizons in the past few years, with both the countries increasingly cooperating in intel sharing and counter-terrorism actions, seen clearly in the deportation of Abu Jundal, who had been living in Saudi Arabia on a Pakistani passport.
हम लोग कई चीज़ों के ऊपर बात करने की प्रयास में हैं, जिसमें ऊर्जा का पार्ट भी है, सुरक्षा की बात है, ट्रेड और इन्वेस्टमेंट की भी बात है, न्यू एरियाज़ जैसे रिन्यूएबल एनर्जी, सोलर अलायंस, इन सब मुद्दों पे चर्चा होने की हम लोगों की अपेक्षा है.
PM is expected to meet Crown Prince Mohammed bin Salman and other cabinet ministers. Still, in terms of investment, India feels at $58 million. The investment from Saudi Arabia to India is much below the true potential. So, Prime Minister would expect major investments from Saudi Arabia, particularly in the infrastructure and energy sectors. Saudi Arabia is also workplace to nearly 3 million Indian expatriates. But Prime Minister Modi will not be addressing Indian origin people like he did in many other countries. The Prime Minister will instead visit the L&T facility, which is building the Riyadh metro system, apart from the Masmak Fortress and TCS All-Women IT and ITES Center in Riyadh during his trip. Modi's visit to Saudi Arabia comes following an invitation from Saudi King Salman bin Abdul Aziz, beginning with King Abdullah's visit to India in 2006 and the then Prime Minister Manmohan Singh's return visit in 2010. Relation between the two countries have touched new heights. From a past when Riyadh was seen as supporting Pakistan and political relations were lukewarm, ties are now thriving and they are further set to improve after Prime Minister Narendra Modi's tour. Neeraj Singh's report, DD News, Riyadh.